Thanks for tuning in. I'm very tired, so I'm going to be sitting today for the stream. So that's why I'm at a weird different angle, and my audio might be a slightly different, whatever, intonation. But got this stuff going on. But thanks for tuning in. I'm Josh Goldberg. I'm a full-time independent open source maintainer. In the TypeScript ecosystem, I work on tooling such as TypeScript ESLint, which lets you run standard JS tools such as Prettier and ESLint on your TypeScript code. I'm always happy to talk. Hi to you. You're here on time. Awesome. Thanks for joining. How's it going? I'm pretty sleep deprived right now. I took a red eye back from Seattle JS Conf, which was awesome, but I didn't sleep. Well, the red eye was fine. Seattle JS Conf was awesome. I'm now currently still wearing the pineapple shirt I wore to the workshop yesterday, so I'm just, I don't know, tired. Yay. So today I'm just gonna work on my personal stuff, nothing too in the open, fancy schmancy. Got my personal site, joshgoldberg.com. It's got a GitHub repo. On a recent/previous stream, I added or prototyped adding page transitions, which I'm pretty pleased about. But I got a bunch of other issues here too. I wanna open API. Oh boy, I've had to work with that stuff before. The tooling is so much worse than I would want it to be. Love it. View trends, I know, and like it's the default for the platform that it just fades. Like it's pretty snazzy, you know. But I got a few little UI things I want to fix up here. Like there's no actual light mode dark mode toggle at the moment. Gonna have to add that in. But what I want to do first is the only I think the only bug is that I'm missing a skip to main content link. I haven't looked into it too deep. Yeah, love Astro. Really nice. Big fan. Have you been playing with Astro much? I wanna add this in because it's important for accessibility. When folks are using keyboard navigation or similar, like non-mouse navigation to get through a page, it's annoying to have to tab through the header or other non-main contents to get to the main. And by annoying, I don't just mean like kind of irritating. I mean like inconvenience to the point of it makes the page actively worse to use, that you have to skip through all the time. Waste of time, especially for people who can't just quickly keyboard tab through, who have to take a little longer, have less fast import modes. So there's a website accessibility need, a technique to have some kind of link at the top of each page that goes directly to the main content area, often called a skip to main content or bypass block. Let's see, what does W3Cs look like? There we go. Skip to content, press enter, and then it highlights main content. So I want to see, does Astro skip to main content exist? Ooh, accessible Astro starter. That's cool. Open that in a new tab. I also just realized I didn't post on the socials, so stop looking at adding a skip to main content for accessibility. Importance. Posting on the things. Yeah. Accessible Astro components is a repo from the same person who made the starter. That's nice. Oh, is that? I'm guessing this is the same thing. Is this the same website? Yeah. So what does it do for skip to main content? Nice. That's reasonable. Definitely gonna start this on GitHub. So this looks nice. Skip to accordion, breadcrumbs. Oh, look at that. Ooh, dark mode. They have a... Oop, dark mode. Huh. the ID in the homepage is case sensitive on GitHub. That's funny. Anyway, user preference for dark mode saved to local storage. That's cool. So I'm wondering, does this respect system preferences, this website? It doesn't by default. Hello, you'll never guess, Ellen, what I'm working on right now. Have you seen this repo? Accessible Astro? I'm guessing you have, but it's pretty sweet, pretty sweet. I want to skip to main content link, and this is very good SEO for it. Skip. What was it? Skip links is what they call theirs. What is Astro? Astro is a framework for bundling your for making a fast by default HTML page. Oh, here we go. It lets you use whatever framework you want. Astro has a great one built in. You could also use other ones like Solid or React. Yeah. Readme and the skip links don't work on ID links. Don't work on github.com. Looking at the Todd. I said accessibility 3 times and then you appeared. I'm good. Sleep deprived, but good. How you doing? Looking at the what are these called? Skip to links in the README 3 upgrade guide. Oh boy, that is hot and spicy. Actual link. Expected link. Oh boy. How big and what are we talking here? Note the casing difference. Yeah, I don't know. Normally I'm more flavorful and fun in my issues, but today I'm tired. Filed an issue on a great looking repo with really an issue. Great looking repo with really fleshed out, with nicely fleshed out README docs. Filed a little issue about page links on github.com. Yeah. Oh yeah, I've been really liking Astro. It's nice. Alien here could explain it to you much better than me, given that Alien's asked like 50 million people at this point what Astro is. Have you seen this, by the way, Todd? Accessibleastro.dev. I think you'd like it. Yeah. So anyway, what was it? I keep forgetting what I was doing. Skip links. So that's cool. It just works. I like this. I could do that. I like that a lot. So let me bring my terminal over. code.joshgober.com. What do I got going on here? Ooh, let's restart up VS Code. Always love that. Come on, VS Code. Do your thing. There we go. I'm minimizing things in the background. All right. So, what's the right way to call these things? Is skip link like the correct normal name for this stuff? As opposed to like skip to main content, etc. Okay, check out the skip link, let's say. npm add accessible Astro components. And base layout is my general used everywhere layout, so I'm gonna skip links. Just gonna import it here. Skip links, nice, thanks. All right, where do I put this? I'm gonna put it before the header so that people don't have to get through the header to get to it. That would defeat the purpose. Why does it need JavaScript for a skip link? Great question. The way that you determine what on these sites is the target of the skip link is not always straightforward. Some sites will have a dedicated like ID or some such, or like mine have just main as the right thing. But to use this component properly, make sure you give the main content project ID of main contents so it can be targeted. Not every project does that, so there ends up being a need oftentimes for. Ooh, work document symbol failed. I just got Astro to crash. Ha! Selection. If only someone who works at Astro were to see this. Okay, so what happened was, I can reliably crash Astro. FYI, for my CSS imports in the layout, you can totally import them in the front matter. What? Look at that. All right. Love it. I wonder if it's reproducible in like a really small file. Bypass blocks. That was the other term. I was like, oh, should I call it skip links? Bypass blocks? So just the one quote. Oh yeah, that's not triggering it right now. Maybe it has to be like an actual page. Ha! All right. Let me actually save this file. Test.astro. Oh, import global. Where am I doing global.css? Thanks, by the way, for the assist. Global. What do I call it? Global.css. I don't have a global. All right. If you could file an issue on me, that would be lovely. Otherwise, I might remember to take a look. Honestly, I'm pretty sleep deprived, so my ability to intake information right now is not great. But okay. So, oh, this is interesting. Ha! Reload window. Main. Let me just, copy and paste. Can I get it to crash? Ha! Astro's crashing! Ha! All right. I love this. All right. Time to... I hate that there's another Astro project out there. Astro language server GitHub. See if there's a... Yeah, there we go. Dedicated. Ooh, I haven't started this repo yet. Crash? So there are a couple of known issues already. I'm just seeing if I can file a bug report for this. Crash, prettier, failing, crash. Crash. I'm just gonna look at recent crash issues. Boy. Known issues in 2.0. Doesn't look like this has it. Too many parameters. That's not what I'm using. When module resolution is node 16 no next or bundler, TS server crashes. Huh. Weird. Ooh, this is an interesting one. Is this the output I'm getting? Oh, it's a Go routine that's crashing. That's funny. All right. Slice bounds out of range. Panic. I love the word panic because it always makes me think of Panic at the Disco. Slice bounds out of range. Similar output. What happens if I do this? I know I could probably just restart the things individually, but just to get a blank slate. Has this bug since been fixed? 2.10, 3 weeks ago. Astro. What version am I on? I'm on 2.1.4, so I do have that fixed. It does seem to work. And if I... Yep. Alright, it seems like what I'm seeing is like a variant of that one. Panic. Let me look up issues that mention panic. Nova.app. I don't even know what that. Okay. Yep. Nothing. Bug report. Bug. Panic. If an attribute is missing an end. Whoops. If JSX missing a closing quotes. Now, can I trigger this with even less stuff? Can I trigger it with just this? Yes, I can. Gotcha. And can I trigger it without the hyphen in there? Yes. Does GitHub recognize Astro as... Huh! GitHub recognizes Astro as a language. Good for them. Putting this in a file causes crashes. Causes the language server. Because the Astro extension... The Astro language server to repeatedly crash. Create and save a .astro file. Add code like this. Note that I'm on v2.1.4. This seems to be similar to this. And where's that panic mention? Plain text. The Astro language server log contains. Cool. All right. So that's fun. I filed an issue. Anyway, moving on. You're saying my base layouts has the script. Oh yeah. When you I can just import. Why did I do it this way then? Does this just work? It'd be cool if it works. Why did I do this? Why didn't I just put this in like a base.css or something? Their base, HTML, body, link visited. Why didn't I just do this? Main, position, relative. Huh. Oh, anyway. Oops. File debug on Astro. T. Alrighty. So just ignoring skip links from now, I want to do these touch-ups. Thanks, Elian, for the suggestion. Make sure my stuff is back to normal. npm dev. Localhost 3000. Are you good? Are you good? Oh, yeah. Thanks. Looks like I can just... I'll have to split this into a couple PRs, but thanks. I had you as a co-author for that one. Yay. Anyway, skip links from accessible Astro components. TypeScript's mad because could not find a declaration file. Ooh. But this result could not be resolved when respecting package JSON exports. The accessible pass may need to update its Ash package. Okay. Are the types wrong is a great little tool on the internet that lets you visualize whether something's types are wrong. And there you go. So looks like accessible Astro components has some issues with its typings. Isn't that fun? So what it's got it says it has types. But if we code node modules accessible, oops, node underscore lowercase n modules accessible Mastodon components, go to the package JSON types. It says, yeah, it says there's a types directory, which does have a DTS, but that apparently is wrong in some way. If I just did types index DTS and then restart my TS server, or I'll just reload the whole window. Now does it fix it? But this result cannot be resolved when respecting package JSON exports. Well, anyway, I'll file an issue if it doesn't, one doesn't yet exist on that repo. Types. I'm honestly surprised no one's filed an issue yet. Types. Is it wrong with the Astro extension disabled? One cannot tell because this is from an Astro file, but I guess I could like load a TSX file or some such just to check the types and then oops, import and disable the extension. I don't think this would change anything. Volar. Is Volar being used here? I don't think I have Volar. But yeah, I've got the strictest of the TS configs. I did turn off no unchecked index access, but I've set my module resolution to bundler. Oh, that's cool that you migrated to Volar. I saw they were doing things and then I did not look at all at what they're doing. Yeah. Oop, gotta hide my other shit. Pardon me. If I change it to strict, does it still error? Yes, it does. So I've been doing not a huge deep dive, but like some dives into this whole area, and it's generally that the package is doing package JSON types in a weird way. What I'd recommend is looking at a template that's got it figured out and a good are the types wrong score. For example, my template TypeScript node package, the main branches package.json shows like the way that I do it is I don't actually have a types field in it. Instead, I use where is it? Oh geez, is it not in here? Where did I put it? Oh yeah, I don't even have types. It's just implicit, I think, because it's next to the next to the index file. But if you do have something that wants to like dual support, I think dmnd/ddent is a package that I'm on that has a package JSON with a little more. There we go. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. Okay. Yep. Yeah, saw Mark Erickson's post. Great stuff. I feel bad for Mark. He's like the canary in the coal mine. Like he does so much in tools that need to work for so many things that anytime there's a bad situation, he feels it very painfully. Great post. +1 to posting. But yeah, so this one, I have a number now. This does dist ddent DTS as the types, but also if you are using ESM, this explicitly does use exports with explicit listings for both ESM import and CJS require. And then both of those have types and defaults. Yeah. Fun fact, order does matter here. So, this will be fun. TypeScript type error on imports. What do we? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a quick branch so that I can link to the commit on this issue. Just like this. See if I can just kind of want to copy, paste, and then like get rid of the changes just to make the nice little commit. So I'm going to do that. Base layout, and then nice little scratch file. Oh, I want to re-enable Astro. That's it's quite an enable. There we go. All right, skip links. Then I'll just like put it here. Pick links. Hey, why is it not formatting? All right. You get check out the accessible Astro components imports. Oh yeah, I wanted to add this file too. So I'm just gonna file button then repro TypeScript type error importing from accessible Astro components. And now I don't want to make a PR, I just want to look at the commit itself, browse files. So I can say the repro steps, full repro steps, git clone .com, cd joshua.com. Is there a way to clone at a specific commit? I feel like I remember at one point learning the branch way to do that. Get reset hard. That's not what I'm looking for. Branch or tag. Branch name or tag name. I'll just put the whole thing. Git check out this dev. Yes. So full repo steps are to get clone the repo, cd into it, get check out the thing in pmpmi, then open base layout.astro in your editor. PG code dev. In a project using tsconfig with module resolution bundler, trying to import from accessible Astro. Oh, I'm on the repo, I think. I'm on the starter one, but I want to be on the components one. Which, oh my god, I was already in. See, you can tell that I'm like weird and sleep deprived right now because I'm just not seeing what I'm doing. Gives a TypeScript type error. For what it's worth, you can also see that the types are being flagged on. Oh, did I forget to preserve the link? I wanted to not have to re-Google it. Oh well. Are the types wrong? Here we go. A couple of resources in case it's helpful. Thank you for the link, the quick link. I'm just going to quote it. Great post by Mark, Ace Mark. That's Mark's GitHub, right? I always forget like if there's an E at the end for random people or what. What? GitHub, Mark Erickson. What is Mark Erickson's GitHub? Oh, where is Mark Ace? Oh, Twitter. Okay, whatever. Then package with dual CJS and ESN exports. Oh, actually, I can point to one that I actually have control over in case they report a bug. Package JSON. Yeah, let's go to that one. Here we go. I have some control over DMNT's dedents, but more on the one that's actually under my name. Okay. Boop, boop, boop. All right. More tweeting. Filed another bug. Tee-hee. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is one of my favorite things. Once I get the code back up. How come I'm tired? I took a red eye back from Seattle to Philly. Well, Seattle to Detroit, Detroit to Philly. So I lost 3 hours from the time zone shift, and I also mostly did not sleep. So, life choices, you know. But I'm gonna get this stuff to work, and I'm gonna call it a day. Probably take an edible and fall asleep for 16 hours. Make up for it. Seattle JS was great though. Totally worth it. Where am I? Where's my dev? Yeah, I led a TypeScript workshop yesterday. That was fun. All right. Skip to main content. It works. Oh, and another reason. It was asked earlier, and I spaced on it. Yeah, if you have a skip to main content link and the main isn't like ID'd, or just in general, what these will often do is like make the main a focusable element, like even modifying the HTML if needed. Like, let's see. Right now, okay, tab index equals -1 was added. That's not part of the HTML by default, but a common technique is, I believe, it changes the main's tab index to 0, briefly, focuses it, and then changes it to -1 quickly, so that you can focus and then not focus after that one moment. It's a cool little thing. Oh, so it's just changing it to -1, that's all. Okay. I'm probably misremembering then. Delta Fiasco. What Delta Fiasco? I like Delta. I've had really good experiences the last bit. Delta cash infusion. Delta to kick off 2024 with 1,000 new flights. COVID cancellations class out. Oh boy. Oh, that's unfortunate. No, I didn't. I didn't have any issues. Oh my God, I've been showing people my fancy schmancy purple credit card, the Amex purple Delta thingy, and I almost just did it here. Look at my credit card internet. No, I am 70,000 out of 75,000 miles on the way to platinum. I'm so close to hitting platinum, but I'm not doing another flight for like a month, so I have to wait. I'm gold status right now. Love them lounges. Yeah, so I mean, this is great. I really like this. I mean, just it works, you know. Like I love a plug and play. Like props not just to Astro for the framework backing it, but like just props to this component library. This is working great, man. Wait, skip to content. Yep, goes to main. Love it. The purple and the platinum. Hell yeah. Show off them credit cards. I never used to understand why people are so into flights, and then I got into the Delta Sky Club after being used to like struggling to find seating in an airport and and then having to sit in like economy. I'm 6'1". I can't sit in economy like anymore. My back is just not allowing it. Um, Now I get like reliable food, drink, like coffee, beer, whatever. I get like reliable like snacks, and I get Delta Comfort Plus, sometimes even upgraded to first class. Like, my God. Ugh, so much better to fly. Like just having like reliable cheese and crackers, and then like roasted broccoli or something with like sparkling water. Ugh. Yeah, you got to get on that Sky Club bandwagon or equivalent. Oh, and this library is working. Great. Thanks for making it. Is awesome. Oh yeah. Dressing like a bum and then whipping out like a fancy credit card is actually so much fun. I love it. Get add all stash. So I'm actually gonna make this. Check out main. Check out the. What am I doing? Skip link. Did I make a branch for this? Check out the skip link. Yeah. Jerry, get base main. Clear, get status, get add all, get stash pop. Of course, there's a merge conflict. Oh yeah, I wanted to link to the issue. That's right. Base layout.astro. Oh yeah, I had made these changes, but I was gonna save those for later. So you know what? I'm just gonna actually merge everything and then undo my base layout and just add this back in. TS expect error so that it fails as it's supposed to. Oh man. 20 hours? How do you get caught for 20 hours? Like, I'm blaming the airline here. Like, how do you not get someone out for 20 hours? That's ridiculous. I don't like that. Like, how do you screw up that bad as an airline? Ah, man. Beer City Code had a lot of good buzz, and I'm sad I didn't get to hang out with people there. But, you know. Oh, well. Delta messed up. Sad. Alright. Fix, add, skip, skip. What does the dev server call it? In the text of it, that's not my locals. Okay. npm dev localhost 3000 messaday. It's fancy. It's fancy. Ugh, what was it complaining about? Socials that what? Do I have to pmpmi first or something? What's going on here? Oh right, pmpmi accessible Astro components. French. Oh. Hey, what does a French Santa Claus sound like? I'm fully expecting a text answer in the chat. Skip to main content. That's what it's called. To main content. Yo, I honestly, when I have multiple things going locally, I have been doing -- port 4321. Because it's so cute, and I'm so excited for y'all to change that to be the default. Oui. That's close. I would say they sound like ho ho ho. Amused. Okay, is this a new GitHub bug? Why is it that sometimes the expand doesn't work on a PR link? I just refreshed and it works the second time. This happens once in a blue moon. I don't know what's going on. Anyway. Actually, you know, I want to link to the repo. Directly uses skip link from Emma. Hello. Thanks for coming over. How's it going? I'm not going to last much longer today, but I'm just adding now accessible Astro components link. So accessibility, yay. Thanks. Yeah. Love it. Okay, so just confirming the changes here. We got skip links, ID equals main content, TS expect error. Oh, whoop. Didn't mean to include that. Bye, Todd. Enjoy the Hobbit. The audit. The rivet. You're doing good work. Main dash dash this thing. And did I also... Oh, yeah. And I also wanted to get that. Git add all, commit, undo unrelated things. Yes, because Elian reported that I could simplify CSS. I'm going to simplify CSS tags and base layout. Let me find it in the chat where that was mentioned. Elian codes said. Interesting copy and paste there. And .css. I love a bad copy and paste. That's amusing. 3-month subscriber. So I'm just gonna fix this real quick. All right. Git pull. You know, I'm gonna actually wait until I merge this PR in because I don't want to have to deal with merge conflicts. And it looks like I failed to build. Oh, I didn't run the linter PR checker or some such. Yeah, close enough. Base CSS global. Then lint dash dash fix, and then pm format dash dash write. What's the linter complaining about? Probably some like out of order things. Oh, haha. I'll just put the comment in there. pm format, lint and format. Love how quick this setup is, by the way. Like, I've got, like, the PR builds and stuff take a minute. Let's look at the total job summary. Yeah, like, less than a minute. And then the deploy from Vercel happened 2 minutes ago. PR sent 3 minutes ago. New deployment now. Like, this stuff is redonkulous, you know? So modern web dev, when you're on the happy path, is amazing, and no one should ever say anything otherwise. Truly makes me happy. And let me post this on the internets. Sent PR for the skip link. Nice and clean. Love it. I already said love it. Very happy. Yeah. Reply. What? I ran prettier. What are you doing? Base layout. I ran pm format dash dash writes. Add all. Oh, did I not get add all after that? Yeah, after I do the little cleanup there, I'm gonna sign off for the day. Oh, I love a heart reaction. Thank you for noting. Poop. Ugh. Actually, did I? I think I... You on a different server. Womp womp. Am I using Prettier 3? I want to say my template does. This one is not. Womp womp. Yeah, I finally got around to fixing up most or all of the last bits on my template package, so I'm gonna roll it out this coming week or two, I hope, to all my repos. Should I upgrade or any big fun new things with Prettier and Astro in V3? Come on, Linter. Nice. Merged. Okay, now get checkout, main, get pull. Oh, a command that's changed. Well, I am using PNPM. Okay, so base layout.astro. Yeah, so a few things here. For starters, I have a base CSS, and then I don't even remember why I did this. Who knows, man. Main position absolute, so that style tag's unnecessary. Secondly, you noted I can just import these here. I don't know why I didn't, honestly. Oh, yay. Let's put that in the locals section. So add all, check out the base layout styles simpler. Chore simplified styles in base layout.astro. Maybe streamlined would be a better word, but I'm too tired to think of words too deeply. Fixes number 59. As suggested, streamlines the style includes a bit. Co-authored by, get that copy pasta with the name. What's your full name? How am I gonna, is your last, where's the copy paste? There's no copy paste. I'm gonna have to type your name out manually. Documentation. I wish you could just @ people in the co-author credit on GitHub. I'm under the impression you can't, but maybe I'm wrong. Thank you. Now it's there. Just getting it up locally while the PR preview does its thing. I do. Also, it was on your website. Yeah, the styles seem to be working pretty well. No complaints here. Oh, yeah, this is a bug in local development that I've seen. When it's Markdown or MDX with solid components that have inline styles, or maybe it's Astro components I think that have inline styles, and the styles don't get reapplied to the page, but if I refresh they do. I don't think I saw it on prod. Yeah, no, it doesn't happen on prod. The view transition, I'm using it with no customization, just the direct like stock experience, and it is real clean and smooth. Where is it? Oh man, yeah, no, it's so nice. Like 4 files changed, and 2 of them were just so I could bump the version of Astro. That just doesn't even count as part of the PR. So I just enabled the experimental thing for it and then just added the component in file. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines of code. Awesome. Yeah, so this style thing seems to work nicely. Thank you for that again. Importing instead of doing that thing and then just putting the random bit in the base CSS I already use. Yay! Thanks for nothing. Yeah, so this was a fun little 50-minute session. I'm tired. I want to go sleep, so I'm going to go now. Who should I raid? Oh, both great options. I'll go with, as usual, the lower number. But before I go, I want to thank you in the chat, y'all. This has been fun. Yeah, Daniel Rowe and... Okay, I like Daniel. Let's do Daniel. They're both a few dozen people. But thanks, y'all, for watching. I also want to start plugging myself online more because I need money. My income's growing kind of flat. Please sponsor me on GitHub, y'all, or sponsor Type 2 PS Lint and Open Collective. We need money. No one pays us money. Actually, that's false. A lot of people pay us money. Thank you to those people. But we need more people and more money. So, yeah. Elliot, I specifically am not asking you for more money because you already helped me so much. I feel like you're one of the people where I wouldn't want you to pay me. But anyway, thanks. Where's the... Ugh, did I just screw my channel? Oh, there it is. Anyway, tell Daniel I said hi and ask him about shower oranges. We keep bringing it up. And if the concept of a shower orange is not appealing to you in name, he sells it pretty well. But thanks, y'all. Bye.